The 2013
Toyota Corolla S. With an automatic transmission, this sedan is well equipped. This Toyota features front-wheel drive, a CD player, and air conditioning. Safety features include side airbags, traction control, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include keyless entry, power windows, and power door locks. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.